Welcome back. Today we talk about something small but very powerful. We talk about $1. You may think $1 is nothing. It cannot change my life. But you are wrong. $1 can change everything if you use it the right way. Mia learned this lesson, and today you will learn it too. The lesson is this: small amounts saved every day become big amounts over time. This idea has a name. It is called the power of compounding. Today, we will understand this power, and we will see how Mia uses it. It is the first day of the month. Mia gets her salary. This time, before she spends anything, she takes out $1. Just one. She puts it in a small jar on her desk. She labels it, "My Future." The next day, she does the same, $1, into the jar. And the next day, and the next, every single day. After 1 week, she has $7. After 1 month, she has $30. After 1 year, she has $365. She looks at the jar. She cannot believe it. $1 a day, $365 a year. This does not feel like a lot. But wait, the story is not finished. After 1 year, Mia puts her $365 into a savings account. A savings account pays you interest. That means the bank gives you extra money for keeping your money there. Let us say the interest rate is 5% per year. After 1 year, your $365 becomes $383. You did nothing. The money grew by itself. Now in year 2, Mia keeps saving $1 a day. She adds another $365. Now she has $748 in her account, plus the interest. And that money also earns interest on top of interest. This is called compounding. Your money grows. Then the growth also grows. After 10 years of saving $1 a day, Mia has more than $4,700 from $1 a day. That is the power of compounding. Now you may say, I cannot save $1 a day. Life is too expensive. But think carefully. Can you skip 1 coffee this week? Can you bring lunch from home one day? Small changes in daily habits create space for saving. Mia found her $1 by making her own coffee at home instead of buying it outside. That one small change became $365 a year, and then $4,700 in 10 years. Now Mia wants to do more. She asks, "Can I save $2 a day instead of 1? She skips her afternoon snack too, $2 a day. After 10 years, that becomes more than $9,000. From skipping coffee and a snack every day for 10 years. This is the power of $1. This is the power of small actions. But there is something even more important than the money. It is the habit, the daily action of saving something, anything. When you save every day, you send a message to yourself. The message is, I am someone who saves. That identity is powerful. because people act according to who they think they are. If you think you are a saver, you will save. If you think you cannot save, you will not. $1 a day changes your money, but it also changes your identity. Mia now says, I am a saver. I am building my future, $1 at a time. Can you say this too? Start tonight. Put $1 aside. It does not matter where, a jar, an envelope, a separate account. What matters is the action. Do it today. Do it tomorrow. Do it every day. Today, we learned about the power of $1. Small money saved every day becomes big money over time. Compounding means your money earns interest, and that interest earns more interest. $1 a day becomes $365 a year. And over 10 years, with compounding, it becomes much more. But the most important thing is not the money. It is the habit. It is the identity. Start tonight. $1, one jar, one new identity. Mia started with $1. You can too. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It helps this channel grow. Share this with someone who thinks small money does not matter. See you in the next episode.